Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to remove green screen subscribe button in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's start. First I take this green button over here. As you can see that there is a green color which we want to change. First we go to effects and then we write key. Here we see color key. We just drag this into here. Then we are on effect controls and I just take this and over here to the screen. And you can see that the green color is removed. But we are still not very happy. As you can see, it is some green color in the background and we want to change this as well. What we do, we just go over to color tolerance. You can see here it's 0. Just drag this over to the right side. You can decide how much you want to have, but I just take full to the right side and then we can see again. Let's see. And now you can see that the little green color is also disappeared. If this video helps at least one person, then I will feel that it was worth to make it. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care. See you next time and it's bye for now.